All right, welcome back in here to Live Now from Fox. I'm Andy Mack. Thank you so much for joining us. I do want to get you out to some breaking news involving the former president in that Georgia election interference case, as a court of appeals has halted it, put it on pause, and it's now unlikely that it will happen before the November election. I want to put up this tweet here on Live Now from Fox talking about this exact subject here on Live Now from Fox. As breaking news, the Georgia Court of Appeals ordered a halt to the proceedings in Trump's election interference case, meaning the case against the former president and his co-defendants will most likely not be scheduled for trial before the fall election. To give you a little bit more understanding of what's going on here, as an appeals court, they're halting it as reviews a lower court judge's ruling allowing the Fulton County District Attorney Bonnie Willis to remain on the case. And this case has had a lot of hurdles there. The RICO one in Georgia, as the Court of Appeals prevents the Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee from moving forward with pretrial motions as he has had planned, while the appeal is now pending. While it was already unlikely that the case would go before trial before November, when Trump is expected to be the Republican nominee, this makes it even more unlikely that it happens. The appeals court on Monday docketed the appeals filed by Trump and 8 others that said, quote, if oral arguments requested and granted is tentatively scheduled for October the 4th, the state will then have until mid-March to rule, and the losing side will be able to appeal to the Georgia Supreme Court. We'll see if it goes even further along, up until the Supreme Court of the United States. The spokesperson for Willis declined to comment to the Associated Press. Fulton County grand jury in August indicted Trump and 18 others, accusing them of participating in a sprawling scheme to illegally try to overturn the 2020 presidential election in Georgia. 4 defendants have pleaded guilty after reaching deals with prosecutors, but Trump and the others have pleaded not guilty. It is one of 4 criminal trials against Trump. This almost a week after the official conviction there in New York City about a different case involving falsifying business records. But of course, this is the appeal there by the Court of Appeals here from earlier that we're just getting into our newsroom here from the state of Georgia, talking about that it presses pauses on this case involving the former president in Georgia around election interference. So a major news story that we're following here into the evening hours around the former president as well. He's making his way out west to the likes of Arizona this week. So we'll cover all of that here on Live Now from Fox.